In today's video, I'll be revealing the latest secret code items that many Dress to Impress players still haven't discovered, along with some exciting new updates you won't want to miss. Before we jump in, I'm hosting a giveaway for a permanent VIP pass. To enter, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Let's begin. First, let's congratulate the lucky player who won the VIP pass. Enjoy your reward. Now, let's check out all the active and working Dress to Impress codes available right now.